Hi, this is Karen Cole from Legal.minded Friends, and today's question is, do I have grounds for divorce? As this is a complicated question, I'm going to do a mini-series on the subject called Let's Go for a Walk and Talk. So put the kettle on, fill your flask with your favorite drink, as when you say those words to your spouse, we need to talk, you should know the facts and how this will affect your relationship with your spouse, your future, and your family. A common mistake is that most people refer to the grounds as adultery or unreasonable behavior. However, there is only one ground for divorce, and that is that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. You may have heard that there was a bill introduced, commonly known as no-fault divorce, and this was to stop the blame game. However, this bill did not pass, and we are stuck with the current 50-year-old procedures in the family court. So to apply for a divorce, it's called petitioning. And you must say that your marriage has broken down irretrievably, and there are 5 facts that you can rely on, and you need one of these facts as evidence. So I'm going to go through the 5 facts that you will need to prove one of them to make the petition. The first one is committed adultery. Now this sounds pretty simple. However, it is very complicated to prove and evidence. The second one is behaved in such a way you can no longer be expected to live with the other person. Again, this is one where you have to have several reasons regarding the other person's behavior, and they have to be quite serious for the courts to accept it. The third one is desertion. So, has the person deserted you for a continuous period of at least 2 years? Again, this might be difficult to prove if they've just walked out on you and you don't know where they are. The fourth one is, have you lived apart for a continuous period of 2 years prior to making the application? With this one, you need the other person's consent. So basically, they're saying they agree that your marriage is broken down, and you can apply with that one. The last one is, have you lived apart for a continuous period of at least 5 years prior to making the petition? And with this one, you don't need the other person's permission. However, you will need to prove and evidence the fact that you've not been living together. So, all of these are a lot more difficult than they sound, and I will go through each of them in detail on other segments. If this has helped you or someone you know, please like and share.